Imagine for a moment you're floating in a space station and suddenly all power vanishes. What would you do? We're talking about Salyut 7, the pride of Soviet space engineering, a testament to human ingenuity, orbiting Earth in the vast expanse of space. On board, a team of dedicated cosmonauts, their mission, to push the boundaries of our knowledge of the cosmos. But then, the unthinkable happens. In an instant, the hum of the station's systems dies down. The glow of control panels, the only source of light, flickers out. The station is plunged into a chilling silence and darkness. Within this weightless environment, the crew grapples with an immediate crisis. Their home in the stars, now a cold, lifeless shell. The dangers are manifold: freezing temperatures, a dwindling oxygen supply, and the ever-looming threat of space debris. The journey to survival and rescue has just begun. The stakes? Their lives in an unprecedented event in space exploration history. Stranded in the cold darkness of space, the crew of Salyut 7 had to fight for survival. In the unforgiving void, the crew faced an escalating battle against time and dwindling resources. Their home in the cosmos, once a beacon of human ingenuity, had turned into a chilling, silent tomb. The life-supporting systems, once humming with energy, were now ominously quiet. The heaters failed and the temperature inside the station began to drop rapidly, threatening to plunge the crew into a freezing oblivion. With the biting cold creeping in, the crew had to make tough decisions. Every breath they took, every move they made, consumed precious oxygen. They had to ration their supplies, stretching out what little they had left. The food, the water, the very air they breathed, everything had to be meticulously managed. Yet, despite the mounting fear, the crew remained unbroken. They faced the darkness, not with despair, but with determination. They made use of every bit of their training, every ounce of their resilience to keep the lights of hope alive in the depth of space. The crew's spirits were as indomitable as the harsh environment they found themselves in. Communication with Earth was their lifeline. Their voices, transmitted over millions of miles, served as a testament to their will to survive. Each message they sent, filled with the raw emotion of their struggle, was a beacon of human perseverance echoing through the cosmos. But the messages also carried a sense of urgency. Each transmission, each plea for help, was a race against time. They had to find a solution, and fast. Every second that ticked away brought them closer to the edge, to the point of no return. The crew's struggle was not just for their own survival. It was for the survival of the human spirit, the resilience to face adversity, the determination to overcome the impossible. It was a testament to what humans are capable of, even when faced with the most daunting of circumstances. As each minute passed, the situation became more dire, but hope was not lost. Back on Earth, a daring plan was being hatched to rescue the stranded astronauts. In the bustling corridors of Mission Control, a team of the world's top scientists, engineers, and spaceflight experts were brought together with a singular purpose: to devise an audacious plan to save the crew of Salyut 7. Their names, unimportant. Their mission, nothing less than the impossible. This team was faced with a Herculean task. The space station was spinning out of control, its power systems were down, and the crew was in danger. The plan? To launch a spacecraft, rendezvous with the spinning station, dock manually, and restore power. On paper, it seemed simple enough. In reality, it was anything but. The risks were immense. The slightest miscalculation could lead to catastrophic consequences. A collision in space, a failed docking procedure, or even the loss of the rescue spacecraft itself. But the team knew that the greater the risk, the greater the reward. And in this case, the reward was the lives of the brave souls aboard Salyut 7. The need for precision was paramount. The team had to calculate the exact trajectory and speed for the spacecraft to intercept the station. They had to ensure that the docking process could be carried out manually, a feat never before attempted. And they had to do all this while the station was spinning, its systems dead, and its crew in peril. What made this mission unprecedented, however, wasn't just the complexity of the plan or the risks involved. It was the fact that they were attempting to do something that had never been done before. They were going to rescue a space station. But despite the daunting odds, the team pressed on. They knew that every second counted. They knew that they were embarking on a mission that could change the course of space exploration forever. But most importantly, they knew that they were the last hope for the astronauts on Salyut 7. With the lives of the astronauts hanging in the balance, failure was not an option. The rescue mission was set in motion, a lifeline thrown from Earth into the vastness of space. Imagine, if you will, the immense pressure on the shoulders of the team tasked with this mission. Their goal? to traverse the cosmic expanse to reach the stricken Salyut 7 and restore it to life. The launch was a spectacle, a testament to human ingenuity. The rocket roared into life, a fiery beacon against the night sky as it began its journey into the unknown. The journey to the space station was fraught with uncertainty. Every second counted, every decision mattered. The team aboard the spacecraft knew that even the slightest miscalculation could spell disaster, not just for them, but for the stranded cosmonauts aboard Salyut 7. The challenges they faced were numerous. Space, after all, is not a hospitable environment. The cold void, the silent, relentless vacuum, the ever-present threat of micrometeoroids, all these factors added to the tension of the mission. Yet despite the odds, they persevered. The journey was long and arduous, but the team was prepared. They had trained for this. They had planned for every eventuality. The spacecraft was a marvel of engineering equipped with the latest technology to ensure the safety and success of the mission. As they neared the space station, the tension was palpable. The team knew that they were about to face the most critical part of their mission. The docking procedure was delicate, requiring precision and perfect timing. A single mistake could jeopardize the entire mission, but they were not deterred. They knew the stakes, they knew the risks, and they accepted them. They were ready to face whatever came their way, ready to do whatever it took to save their fellow cosmonauts. Against all odds, the rescue team reached Salyut 7, but the hardest part was yet to come. With their lifeline within reach, the crew faced their final and most daunting challenge. The end was in sight, but the path to safety was far from straightforward. They were about to embark on a task that would test their mettle and their skill to the utmost, the docking procedure. Imagine trying to thread a needle, but the needle is moving, and so are you, both at speeds unimaginable to the human mind. Now imagine that a single misstep could mean the difference between life and death. That was the magnitude of the task the crew faced. The two ships, the stricken Salyut 7 and the rescue vessel, had to align perfectly. Any deviation, however slight, could result in catastrophic failure. The docking procedure was a dance of precision and patience, a ballet choreographed by the unforgiving laws of physics. The crew had trained for this, of course. They were some of the best and brightest that humanity had to offer. But training can only prepare you so much for the reality of the situation. In the darkness of space, with the cold silence as their only companion, it was their bravery, their resolve that guided their hands. Every adjustment had to be calculated, each movement executed with the utmost care. The margin for error was infinitesimally small. The pressure was unimaginable. Yet, amid the tension there was a quiet determination. They were not going to let their ordeal end in failure. Not when they were so close to the finish line. In the end, it was their skill, honed by years of training and experience, that saw them through. They managed to align the ships, initiate the docking procedure, and lock the two vessels together. It was a moment of triumph, a testament to the indomitable spirit of human courage and ingenuity. In a feat of human courage and ingenuity, the crew managed to dock with the rescue ship. The impossible had been achieved. Their final hurdle had been crossed, and against all odds, they had survived. The successful rescue of Salyut 7 was more than just a triumph of human spirit. It marked a pivotal moment in the annals of space exploration, a testament to our indomitable will to conquer the unknown. This extraordinary mission not only pushed the boundaries of what we believed possible, but also paved the way for significant advancements in space technology and procedures. The lessons learned from this daring rescue continue to inform and shape our approach to space missions today. From improved safety protocols to more efficient power systems, the influence of Salyut 7 can be seen in every spacecraft that leaves our atmosphere. The story of Salyut 7 serves as a constant reminder of our capacity for innovation and resilience. Every challenge we overcome in the vast expanse of space strengthens our resolve to push further, to explore deeper. In the face of impossible odds, humanity proved its mettle. The legacy of Salyut 7 continues to inspire us to reach for the stars.